Celebrating 70 years of coverage you can count on. This is KCBD News Channel 11 at 10.
Good evening, and thank you for joining us.
A Lubbock teenager charged in the shooting death of a 12-year-old appeared before a judge today. The proceedings took place in a courtroom at the Lubbock County Juvenile Justice Center, and that's where the boy has been since his arrest in June.
KCBD News Channel 11's investigative reporter Shaley Kidwell has followed this case since the beginning. She was at today's proceedings. Shaley?
And Abner, while we were allowed inside the courtroom today, the majority of the proceeding must be kept confidential because the accused is a minor. For the first time since Jordan Rosales was shot and killed, his family faced the boy who pulled the trigger. While their lives will never be the same, they tell us they have forgiven him.
He got the whole world in his head.
Jordan Rosales has always loved to sing. His grandmother, Norma Martinez, says he learned some of his first songs at church.
I've been taking him to church since he was 3. He loved going to church. I dressed him up real cute.
She says Jordan made quite the impression.
My pastor told him, you know what, Jordan? I feel when you grow up, you're going to be a pastor.
At 12 years old, Jordan still loved to sing, a voice Martinez misses.
I went to the cemetery and I laid on his grave. I told him, Mijo, remember you used to sing to God? Do you remember you sang this song? Grandma's gonna play it right now. And I played it, and I was singing the song to him, my heart out to him.
Martinez says as she walked into the courtroom today, she felt an indescribable heaviness, but also empathy for the boy who stood before the judge.
I felt like I wanted to go to him and just give him a hug. He's just a kid. He's just a little kid.
Jordan's mother took the stand today, and in her victim impact statement, she said in part, "You learn a lot in this life, but no one could ever teach you how to survive this life without your child." She went on to say, "I pray justice for Jordan by the hands of the judge. You are forgiven, but you will never be innocent. Jordan is in peace." Jenny Simpson is chief of the juvenile division at the Lubbock County District Attorney's Office. She cannot speak specifically about this case, but says juvenile offenders who commit serious offenses can receive a determinate sentence.
It allows us to give someone a set number of years. That depends on the level of the offense, up to 40 years. You'll see sometimes with younger offenders who haven't really been involved in the system receive a determinate sentence probation.
How do you get through days like today?
I have a great support system, and it's great that you can go and talk about how crummy your day was and what you had to see and what you had to do. Justice looks different in every case, and sometimes justice is not what you or I want to see in a case, but it's the right thing. Today's one of those days.
Martinez didn't give a victim impact statement, but there's something she wants the boy who took her grandson to know.
I forgive him because I know Jordan will want me to forgive him.
She says her family will now work to move forward, and today was a big step.
The whole world in his head.
Shaley Kidwell, KCBD, investigates.